हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू एंग्लोबोंग। मैं हूं अन्वेषा और आ गया है देवारा का रिलीज ट्रेलर। आई डोंट नो वेदर आई एम सेइंग इट करेक्टली बिकॉज व्हेन यू रीड इट इट्स देवारा, और लेकिन मूवी में ट्रेलर में वो लोग देवरा बोल रहे हैं। एनीवेज आई विल स्टिक टू देवारा। एंड उसका रिलीज ट्रेलर आ गया है। मैंने कुछ दिन पहले पार्ट 1 का ट्रेलर आया था, आई थिंक अराउंड 2 वीक्स बैक, जिसका कुछ दिन पहले मैंने रिएक्शन वीडियो निकाला था। एंड अब आ गया है रिलीज ट्रेलर। तो पता नहीं इसमें शायद कुछ एक्स्ट्रा हो, तो जानने के लिए देखना पड़ेगा। एज यू ऑलरेडी नो, डायरेक्टेड बाय कोरातला सिवा एंड इट हैज़ जूनियर NTR, सैफ अली खान, जानवी कपूर in the main lead and a few other actors. So without wasting any more time, okay, music has been given by Anirudh, the famous he is doing so good in everything. And also recently, yesterday I think I found out that Lapata Ladies is the movie that has gone for the Oscars, and it's a great achievement. I think it gone for the Oscars means I think it has been sent as India's movie. I think you have to send a few, you have to select and send a few movies or one movie, I'm not very sure, for the Oscars. And the selection of Lapata Ladies has been made, which has been I think it's directed by Kiran Rao, and it's a very nice, phenomenal movie. It's very thought-provoking. बहुत आपको it makes you think that ऐसा भी होता है, and it's about women empowerment and all thing good. So if you guys have not seen it, definitely जाइए और देखिए लापता लेडीज़। एंड अब तो शायद जिन्होंने नहीं देखा भी ऑस्कर का सुन के सब जाएंगे ही देखने। तो आई थिंक टीवी में आ गया है, इफ़ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन इट्स ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स, सो यू ऑल कैन चेक इट आउट। एंड नाउ लेट्स हॉप ऑन टू देवारा रिलीज ट्रेलर। एंड इफ़ यू गाइज हैव ऑलरेडी not seen the official release trailer, please go down, the link has been given for you in the description box below. Now let's start. So guys, I'll be reacting to the Telugu trailer, release trailer of Devara, and let's go.
నిన్న రేత్రో పీడకలు చుండది జోగుల సముద్రం మళ్ళీ ఇరుపెక్కి నిజంగా ఎర్ర సముద్రం అయినట్టు అది నా చేతుల మీదుగా అయినట్టు కనిపించుండది.
That wasn't Janvi.
భయం పోవాలంటే దేవుడి కథ వినాలా? భయం అంటే ఏంటో తెలియాలంటే దేవుల కథ వినాలా?
సముద్రం మీద ఒక దేవరున్నాడు చాలు. కొండ మీద ఇంకో దేవరిని తయారు చేస్తే అది మీకే మంచిది కాదు బైరా.
ఇంతప్పటి నుంచి చూస్తుండగా
ముందుండేవి మంచి రోజులు కాదు దేవరా. మన అనుకునే వాళ్ళెవరు మనోళ్ళు కాదు.
సముద్రం ఎక్కాలా, సముద్రం ఏలాలా.
Saif's looking hot with the curly hair. It's a shark.
అడిగినాడంటే చెప్పినాడని.
27th September. Okay, it's part 1. So guys, that was the trailer reaction for Devara release trailer. It's another one. You can call it the second trailer. सो इसमें इंसाइट थोड़ा सा और मिला है हम लोग को. और I actually want to see what they are saying, the makers are saying about this movie. And what about the background score? हमेशा जो अनिरुद्ध का background score even of these trailers, movie trailers होता है, it's so fascinating, it keeps you gripped. I mean, you want to keep on listening to the music also. It's no way it is like noise. It's beautiful, and with the picturization, the music blends in so well. So he is one of the best, and right now he's one of the best in the South industry. And लास्ट टाइम जितना दिखाया था उससे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट सीन्स है, लेकिन एक जगह पे दिखाया कि ही वेक्स अप एंड देन आई वाज लाइक शॉक टू सी दैट द वुमन हु वोक अप नेक्स्ट टू हिम it wasn't Janhvi Kapoor, it was someone else. So I wonder Janhvi is paired against the father or the son. कौन से डबल रोल में है, तो कौन से रोल की ऑपोजिट कास्ट है जानवी, आई वुड लाइक टू नो. एंड आई थिंक एक गाना भी आ गया है इसका, विच आई थिंक वी हैव नॉट रिएक्टेड टू येट, बट आई वुड लव टू डू इट. सो हैव टू वेट फॉर द 27th of September. It is coming out very soon in the next 4 days. So it'll be fun. So this was the Telugu trailer of Devara. And I am waiting to watch the chemistry between not just Janhvi and NTR, but the chemistry between Saif and NTR. वो मज़ा आएगा देखने में. पहले दोस्त, फिर दुश्मन, या फिर पहले स्टार्टिंग से दुश्मन. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, ट्रेलर देख के क्या ही पता चलेगा. एंड पता चलना भी नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज यू नो फिर मज़ा कहाँ है. You should be like awed and surprised when it comes to movies. So this was my reaction, guys. If you like my reaction, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll meet you until the next video. Bye.